So first we are going to see how to solve this objective equation, where we see answer the following question by true or false. We must read the question and then we answer by true or false. The gravity is the force pulling together all matter. The more matter, the less gravity. So as we know, the gravity, it is affected by mass. As the mass increase, also the gravity increase. So this statement is a false. By continue for the next equation B, there is gravity everywhere. The gravity from the sun reaches through the solar system and beyond, keeping the planet in their orbit. The gravity of the sun, we know that it keeps the planet in their orbit, so this statement is a true. And sub-question C, the orbit is regular and repeating the path that object in the space take around the one. So as we know, the orbit is the motion that occurs when an object moving forward in the space. So this means that it is the simple or effective definition of the orbit. So this statement also is a true. For D, an object in the orbit is called a satellite. Without reading more, when we see an object in orbit, always we must hear the satellite as we have read on the note. So let's continue for this multiple choice question as a part of objective equation. In what apparatus did Henry Cavendish use in his experiment to determine the gravitational constant? So the Cavendish used the different tools in his experiment, but in this list we must choose one which is more give the information about the tools which the Cavendish Henry had been used. So this B, it is a correct answer because they use one bar, two small sphere and two large sphere, as we will see in the next video how this experiment done. For the next equation, what material were the sphere made up in Henry Cavendish experiment? So this material also it is made from reed, as the A answer is a A. So for finding the dimension of universal gravitational constant, we must use the formula where we know the G is Newton meter kilogram over kilogram, and you see the Newton is equal to mass times acceleration to the gravity, and also we have the unit of acceleration is equal to meter per second. As you know, the unit of meter is a length, and second also is a time, so we can write r per second square or r per time per negative 2. So for real answer, the M mass times mass per negative 2 times length triple times t per negative 2, which will give us the M per negative 1, r power 3 and t power negative 2. So the answer will be equal to B also. And continue for the next equation, where we see how to find the relationship between force and the mass in universal gravitational force. So we have given the following data, and we must see how to find this mass 1 and the mass 2, and see how the gravitational force increase, and see it is solved well in this equation. So first we must read this equation as it is. Suppose that the two objects attract each other with the gravitational force of 16 units. If the mass of both objects was tripled and the distance between the two objects was doubled, then what will be the new force of attraction between the two objects? As we see, first the force will be equal to 24 units of unit. Second, the force will be 232 units. Third, the force will be 236 units. So as you see in this formula, it explains it well. So thank you for watching this video. We must see the covered experiment on another session. Thanks.